Yeah, cause I'm coming to the game, spitting the ill shit to the center with your ill when I entertain. Motherfucker been in the game, coming to get it ready, get with it when I step in the building to get the kid in that motherfucker blood spilling. Coming to get it, run up with it, pull it out my pocket, cock it, then pop it. They call the cops quick, come off the block, bitch, with a brand new Glock, quick. They can't stop shit, these niggas that get drop kicked. Look at my optics, they high. Or low, I should say, Terry Red, cause I be having fly splits, blowing with a farm bitch, find me in some fly shit, nigga, I'm always Dougie, don't bug me, uptown nigga, sound like a buggy, but it's not, it's the homie Wilmer, that's right, niggas know he will vouch for the dude, no doubt, I come through, smooth, motherfucker, pull it out, like a tool, with a dude, make moves, you too, yeah, they throw up a two, I throw them back, it's deuce, but shit, niggas get loose, it's like a motherfucker playing duck, duck, goose, you duck. Better duck, you're too fucked up off the juice. Yeah, nigga, talking like I won't have a real trigger in my back pocket. Cock it back, then cock it. I told you, niggas, you can't stop it. It's uptown, then I got it locked. Big dice, ill, nigga, stop it.